Hey there Titans, welcome to Foreign Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you the show path on the page break. It's a really cool new feature, you'll love it. So we have here a simple page break. First page we're filling up some information, second page we're filling up some more information and a signature, and we're submitting. And obviously you can have as many more pages as you like. We're going to head over to the page break and select the show path. Now let's change the labels for the first page, so that will be, let's say, welcome, and our second page will be, let's do signature page, and we'll save this. And another thing that this does, let me just hide this so we can't move back and forth with this guy on the actual form. So I'm going to publish this. Now check this out. Here is our path, and obviously if we had more pages here, it would show us more. Now if I click on the signature page, it will take me to the signature page. It also shows me where I am relatively. If I'll click on the welcome page, will take me back to the welcome page. And this is how it's done.